Question 1.
Why do hobbies keep changing from generation to generation? Why do hobbies keep changing from generation to generation?
I think changes in lifestyle and advancement in technology are instrumental behind the shift of hobbies over generations. They offer more options to people to choose from and to pursue. For example, we can use internet as a means to pursue our hobby, which was not available at all before a few decades.
Question 2.
How has your mobile phone changed your life? How has your mobile phone changed your life?
My basic mobile phone was enough to change my life. It kept me connected with my family all the time, but my iPhone is a smartphone and is much more than a phone for mere connectivity. I can check my emails on my phone. I can surf the net on my phone. I can play games on my phone. I can do calculations on my phone. I can do so many other things on my phone.
Question 3.
Do you think one day we will be able to live on Mars or Moon? Do you think one day we will be able to live on Mars or Moon?
It is difficult for me to make such a prediction because till date, no evidences of life on Mars or Moon are found. But looking at the way science and technology are progressing, there are bright chances that scientists find out some options in future to settle human life on other planets.
Question 4.
If given a chance, would you like to travel in space? Why? If given a chance, would you like to travel in space? Why?
I would definitely take this opportunity. Since I was a child, I wanted to see how the Earth looks like from space. Moreover, I can also see other planets and stars from the space. This feeling itself is exciting. This can be the experience of a lifetime.
Question 5.
Do you like to learn about history? Do you like to learn about history?
Yes, I like to learn about history. It is through history we come to know about the important events that gave way or shaped the way to progress or changes in any country. Also, history teaches us important lessons and we can learn from the achievements or mistakes of our ancestors. Everything in this world has its history. It's through that we value what we have today. For example, we value our independence today because of the knowledge of the independence struggle.